Hello students, we are going to handle with one of the geometry questions. We are very familiar with some standard shapes, finding the area of the square, area of the circle or area of sector for that matter. We have a question, let's look into the question first. The area of the black surface in the following image is what? If you look into it, we have some undefined shapes, or we can call it as small curves are there. How do you handle such questions is about this question. If you join these four corners that forms a square, let us try to give some more details to the curvatures. If you draw these lines, we can perfectly observe that. Let me draw the lines before we do it. Did you notice the area of this and this would be same because they are symmetrical in nature and of course of same size. Similarly, these two are same, and these two are same. We are trying to take one such shape, then we can multiply with 4 to get the area of the black surface. So here I am taking one such shape, and if you observe, this forms a perfect square of the side length 7. What is area of square? We know that area of square is side square. So here side of the square is 7. 7 into 7, the area would be 49. Let us name this vertices as, let's take it as PQRS guys. As I use notations ABCD by the representing areas, let us take the vertices to be PQRS. The area of the square is nothing but area of PQRS is 49. But if we draw the diagonal that divides the area into two equal parts, what would be area of PQS then? Area of the triangle PQS would be half of the area of the square. So half of 49 would be 24.5. So now this area is 24.5. This triangle QRS is also 24.5. But how do you get this shading part? Dear students, did you observe this is the sector? If you draw the circle, this forms a complete circle, right? Let us go back. If you observe this forms a circle actually. This could be one sector in a circle. So in a circle, let us discuss about the sector before we solve the question. In a circle, the center is O. Let us take 2 points on the circle to be A and B, with the center of the circle being O. The radius between, the angle between the two radii, take it as theta. Then this shading part would be called area of sector. What is area of sector formula? That is theta by 360 into area of circle is pi r square. If we use that part, you can get this white region. From this triangle, let us find out the small shading area. Let me write down here. The small curved area is equal to what? That is area of triangle minus, what is area of triangle? PQS minus, this would be QSR. It is area of QSR minus area of this sector. That is theta by 360 into pi r square. As it is a square, this angle would be 90 degrees. The diagonal will make into two equal parts. Each of the angle would be 45 and 45. As we discussed, this square area is 49. Diagonal makes into two parts 24.5. So the triangle QSR would be 24.5 minus. This angle is 45 degrees by 360 into pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? Here nothing but the radius is nothing but the side of the square, which is 7. 7 square is 7 into 7. This 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 45 ones are, 45 eights are gets cancelled. This is 24.5 minus 22 into 7 by 8, right? 22 into 7 by 8. So 2 goes 4 times, 2 goes 11 times in this. This is 24.5 minus 11 into 7 is 77. What is 77 by 4? Is just 19.5 guys. 19 4s are 76, one remainder, it is 25, 19.25. So what is 24.5 minus 19.25? That is 5.25. Now we got this shading area is 5.25. But how many such curved parts are there here and here? There are two such things, right? So 5.25 plus 5.25, the area of those two curved parts would be 10.5. This is 24.5. The sum of these two would be 10.5, which puts together how much? 24.5 plus 10.5, that is 35. Now we figured out that the area of one such part is how much? The area of one such part is 35. But how many such parts are there? There are 4 such parts in this. So the total area is how much? 35 times 4, 140 centimeters square is our answer. So here the beauty of the question is lying in this division, guys. How we divided? We drawn the diagonals and we observed these two are of same area. So that is how we will work out for unsymmetrical curved areas. Thank you so much.